Hello and a very warm welcome to all my viewers. Thank you for tuning into DreamCarViews. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Today, we are diving into the luxury world of the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach, a true masterpiece on wheels. Let's get started. The 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach boasts a stunning and commanding exterior that instantly captures attention. With its sleek lines, bold chrome accents, and a rich, high-gloss finish, the Liberty Coach looks both powerful and elegant. The body is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, offering durability and a premium feel. The huge panoramic windows not only provide excellent outside views but also add a modern touch to the design. Custom paint options are available, allowing owners to choose colors and patterns that match their style. Stylish LED lighting enhances visibility at night and adds to the coach's sophisticated appeal. Whether parked or on the move, the Liberty Coach truly stands out on the road. Step inside, and you are immediately welcomed by the epitome of luxury. The interior of the 2025 Liberty Coach is nothing short of breathtaking. It features handcrafted leather seating, exotic wood finishes, and state-of-the-art technology throughout. The spacious living area offers plush sofas, a large flat-screen TV, and a high-end sound system for ultimate relaxation. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a residential-style refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and beautiful quartz countertops. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed, custom cabinetry, and a private entertainment system. The bathroom rivals those of five-star hotels, featuring a full-size shower, marble surfaces, and premium fixtures. Climate control systems keep the environment perfect, no matter where your travels take you. Every inch of the Liberty Coach is designed with comfort, convenience, and class in mind. Under the hood, the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach is powered by a robust Volvo D13 engine. This 13-liter turbocharged diesel engine delivers an impressive 500 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and unmatched reliability. Paired with a 12-speed automated transmission, the Liberty Coach offers effortless handling and superior fuel efficiency for a vehicle of its size. The chassis is engineered for maximum ride comfort, with advanced suspension systems absorbing road vibrations, making long journeys feel incredibly smooth. Safety features like collision mitigation, lane departure warnings, and adaptive cruise control ensure that both the driver and passengers enjoy peace of mind while on the road. Luxury like this comes at a premium. The starting price of the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach is around $2.5 million. Depending on the level of customization and additional features, the price can climb even higher. However, considering the world-class craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, it is an investment in an unparalleled lifestyle of travel and luxury. That wraps up our review of the breathtaking 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel DreamCarViews. Also, be sure to press the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our future luxury vehicle reviews. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.